Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app you can add payment cards, manage your passes, and add new passes to your Google account like Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to Menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, wallet tips, tap to Pay Setup where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next you can go to participating banks, where you can check the list of all participating banks to each country. Then you can enter Password Manager to manage your passwords. Next you can go to your data in Wallet, where you can manage payments data and passes data. Then you can go to Wallet Settings, where you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.